We'll play with Hootie Swinky.
Swinky?
And they walk too. And they're fun to play with. And my favorite thing is walking.
Your favorite what is what?
My favorite thing is when the Swinkies walk.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Where'd you get those Swinkies?
My dad got them for me at some store, and I don't know what the name is.
It was called Walmart's, I think.
Well, and Dad got these Swinkies for
Who's this little girl here?
Nicole.
That's Nicole who?
Colbert.
Nicole Burke. Looks to me like you guys are having trouble with your Slinkies.
Yeah.
Can't you get them started right?
Hey, faster. Sometimes.
Let's see you guys start them
Okay.
together. There goes Hootie. Nicole's having trouble.
Gone trouble. Let's do it again. Okay? Next time. Go.
There goes Hootie again. He's doing good.
I'm doing good. Ah. And Hootie's and Nicole went over Hootie's Swinky.
Swinky?
And that.
How can you call them Swinkies? I thought they were called Slinkies.
And the other Swinky ran over Hootie's.
Not over Hootie's.
Ran over Hootie's Swinky.
Hootie's Swinky?
Yeah.
Cole's having trouble though.
I know, Nicole is having trouble.
She's not quick enough on starting her Swinky. Give her a shot, Cole. Oh, you got to be quicker than that. Well, there you go.
I'm gonna kick her. You can't beat me. I can't.
Crash. They crashed.
Click that and click that.
Okay, I guess that's enough Swinky action.
No.
Let me no.
That's enough Swinky.
Hootie, look at that. Look at that.